Welcome to the Music Coach Online Intermediate Bass Program. My name is Todd Porter, and I'm the Music Coach. Several years ago, I released the Music Coach Online Beginner Bass Program, and after so much success with hundreds of students on many different platforms across many different countries, I've decided to add an intermediate program that begins right where the beginner program ends. In the intermediate program, there are going to be 12 video lessons that are going to take you through many different topics, including things like how to play in multiple genres. So how to play on a ballad, how to play in 6/8 time and 2/4 time, on a funk song, on a rock song. And you're also going to learn several new techniques in terms of how to use dynamics and rhythmic density in order to fit in musically into any situation. There's also going to be 12 video practice lessons that have visual metronomes, backing tracks, and everything you need to be able to take the information from the lesson and really internalize it. So all you'll need is a set of headphones and your instrument, and you'll be ready to go. The intermediate program also features a jam room with backup tracks in every genre that you're going to be learning. These will also feature a no bass option where you can have the drums and the guitar without me playing the bass, so you can really feel like you're right in there with a real band. You can test drive this by checking out some of the free sample lessons. And if you're ready to get started, click the enroll button, and I look forward to seeing you inside.